So hey guys, this is Abraham and I'm gonna teach you how to lock pick. So I got this lock of my friends from my buddies, and this lock hasn't been opened. Like, he doesn't know the code, but he had it, but he forgot the code. So I'm getting paid for the lock picking this, or say I wouldn't say lock picking, but it's in my way of lock picking. So let's show you. Okay. I do not know the code, by the way. So we're gonna check it out. So first thing, you need to pull until you see like some sort of thing or little punctuations and shit. That's what you need to see. Now, to lockpick this, you need to check the first number. That's the goal number one. Check the first number. Now, when you check the first number, you'll wait it. You'll see right here. See that wiggle? Something like that. I don't know if this is the first number, so I'm gonna check the other ones. Number 2 doesn't have it. Number 3 doesn't have it. 5 has it slightly. See a little gap. 6 doesn't have it, but you can also check by doing this. Alright, now checking 7. 8 seems like it. 9 is rock hard. See, like that, and you feel no resistance like that. So I'm gonna go for 1 because 1 has the most resistance, and you have to hear that click right there. See, like it's halfway. It's like that. All right, now number 2, we're gonna go with 1. Right? Actually, that's not bad of a gap, but we're gonna check more. 1. 2 is slightly, but there's there's not that middle click. 3, no. 4 does not have it. Or 4 doesn't have that middle click. 5 doesn't. 6 doesn't at all. 7 slightly. 8 has fair amount of play. 9. Yep, it definitely has that middle click. See, look, like I'm barely thinking, and it goes like that. So this 9. So if you need to double check it, it's 9. Like, do you see that double click? I would call it. Alright, now these are the last 2. Some people would like go like this and whatever and do like that, whatever. We're gonna go back to 1, but sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, because these combinations, there's less combinations with 2, but once you get the first 2, these last 2 are easy. These are the hardest of anything. Now, check it. 1 doesn't have it. 2 doesn't have that middle click because there's not enough resistance. 3, no. 4 doesn't have it. I feel like it's it though. 5, no. 6, no resistance. 7, no resistance. 8. Let me see if it has everything. Wait a minute. You can feel it. And also one more thing. Once you're in the 3rd number, this becomes this. Once you hear that, you know you're close. You first got the 3. Now the second one's gonna be easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. We just got it like that. I'm not teaching. I'm not lying. Look at that. Alright, let's just see. See? See there really closely? That's what you're looking for. But I think this one's, you could change the number, which I am for my friend, so. That's how you lock pick. Remember, always do this. That's the key. All right, thanks for watching, and there you go. Bye.